from the Koro.
Wherever you are, we are.
Iyo, wherever you are, we are. And namataka di bingara bli. Kuisi ada benar tu turang atau
right, Mr. White.
Mr. White, ada boleh bitokan dia namataka di bingara bli kuah. And to all our friends from overseas,
right.
Bikimini ngol itu kata-kata kaya nabu ni nek dia na mata binaka, bikimini nalu bibitin na lagi bingara boli na mati vaulu di Peritania. Kena numunin dui mata bubalik. Itu sahaja nak cili bikimini se, kerubah nak cili bikimini on behalf of the missing person. Who is sick this morning, today, again.
Yes.
On Dembesi kakaya. Anda pernah ke Buni?
Yeah, anda pernah ka saying, sending morning vibes to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. Pramendra Singh, anda pernah ka from Nikki and Leo and Lupe and Maliana at from the President Coffee Land family at President Plaza Samambula this beautiful morning, and all those who are tuning in from the bus on their way to school. It's Friday, and also to the parents, hardworking parents who are on their way to work this beautiful morning.
Ada benar tu turang neta emosi kunaika nanomu tolili.
Right.
Ada budi be usa be nangoni buli, ada budi garabita be buli. And singa benar diko. Ada benar turang neta melina ada lebu.
Anda pernah ka puno lebu mai Brisbane sama boli mai lupe viti sama tiko mai nabe panua nindo patapol mikina nabe panua tani Zaka buli ngande se ngole baka gito. Nindo patapol mai mita signa. Yan rabinaka isa totoka na matakan ni kuwa. This morning it's a bit different.
Mita signa is the maramatawu.
Yes.
Mita achi one.
Right. Amita gay achi one.
Amita gay achi. Ano bina makimina na kadali ni bingara biha na bi hotel ni bulan ni sarpanua ni sama chukuma na mataka ni baka dhambi singa ni kuwa. Okay. People are asking, where's Demesi, Eleanor?
Demesi is
tell them what's wrong with Demesi.
What's the update on Demesi? My brother is still sick. Advice from the doctor to rest for 2 days. And his sickness is very complicated. Because he cannot control it. It's uncontrollable.
But it's his body.
Yes, it's his body. But whatever is coming out, he is not able to control it.
If the sickness is like that,
right?
It's a very big problem for them.
Very big problem.
Okay, what may be the cause? What's the cause? I think
because he likes to eat everything.
Okay.
No, his saying is all in one.
John Kumar, if you know the cure for the medicine for the dogs. Please send us a message this morning, John Kumar from Braraveli in Singatoka, o tinenisha de burbitokani na bua salote sebo ngaluoko o tamu onruma right kita ina. Sa kira bimbisar cukup bikin na biokani. Kaya kan dua kilati ko na wai ni nronro. Menga iba kan dua takto mabikiro na matang di kuwa. Dumpul berang may wakaya. Kaya kan doon na oi.
Artona squad ni Rento Kile
Biti. Kaya kan mati sebo kira mbako may mesuli man tabi ko na ngase. May lolo mo dito mati sugi na gono ko. Yeah. Has he told you that he's been to the doctor or no?
Yes, he told me that the doctor advised him to stay home for 2 days.
For 2 days?
More, yes.
Okay.
Until he is able to control it. Right now, he is not controlling it. Okay,
I think he should have biscuit this morning.
Yes, biscuit. He should have biscuit and very dark tea or strong tea.
Right.
And also, what else? Guava leaves.
Sasek ng guava leaves, may lusar man ng guava.
Right, guava. Right. That's the main boy,
Yeah, the guava sir.
Right.
Me kotal ni mama siya tapa.
Chilonru.
Chilo pa kan dua. Maybe siya ang betango because we are trying our best to to help him.
Yes.
Manama tito biko chika ng
right.
Sa morta ka chika mayo oni sir tabe. Me on sir na do kanan dambe. Ko kana sa patorong sige sa dambe kana kikiro. Batan dua. Ermista kana na daw ni sarasar na nona new haircut.
Right.
But ni reberi ko ucha sa.
That's
the reason why.
Yes. Because his head is exposed. To all the humidity, the heat, and everything.
Dinasar.
That's why he is not able to control it. Mita Sickness said, away ni Ron Robin na analolso.
Lolosoko. Tamayabu sa pagkatang itsubing ko, Ron na kenaway, meron ni Bibu Kibikimni.
Right.
Ano matang di kuwan doon na kuri tukunu ba na lolo soko se na lolo.
Right.
But nakana baka sa tagamoko ya. Narori lombanduri lombantabo. Please no lombantabo because you are sick today. Misalnya ko mandangan na yum.
Respect.
Respect.
Respect yourself.
Iyo.
He's Adi. We miss you.
Iyo.
Yes, and the listeners too, they miss you.
Don't mo binak.
Right.
Don't mo binak. Sa kan bimbingon na deme simon ka ngaron binak, be careful of what you chiloma.
Right.
Nadabo kania, nadabo
Whatever you
munuba.
put in your esophagus.
Yeah, the basic thing ngo kinto lakabot singa.
Yes.
But we don't know.
We eat the same thing.
We eat the same
We
thing.
drink the same thing.
Iyo.
But still, he's uncontrollable. I don't know. It's I think his haircut.
Vakabio ko kanadala.
Oh, something.
Iyo. Vakabio nangone ngo kanadala.
Something that he's not supposed to eat, he's eating.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Mesan
Mesan bebenaka.
Mesan tukuni ngabi ko na itukutuku ya na bosak bambua. Amayemu. Okay, Ron, the points we are thinking about this morning.
Right.
Maybe the reason why Ndemesi is sick. One, his new haircut.
Right.
He's exposed his head
Right.
to
Right.
the
Environment.
Environment.
The humidity.
Iyo.
The sun. The
Iyo.
heat from the sun.
Iyo.
Minang nisingi heat stroke.
Koko nangori. Del lako after these dogs,
Yes.
it'll get a litini and a heat stroke.
I think the heat is melting
Iyo.
the fat
Iyo.
inside his body.
Right.
Right?
Right?
Yes, because the pores of
Right.
his head
Iyo.
is exposed. It's like the opening.
Iyo.
So the heat reaches that head.
Eda, kabarta ko cuma lom rendini bau.
Right.
Pero yan bina kita usah mistake kan apa kata mistake ni. Mede ko mata na vadu Mike Tyson. Okay, one is his new haircut.
Right.
And the second one, which is a mystery, it's like a mystery to us.
Yes.
Because all along, after we knock off at 10 o'clock,
Right.
everything that we do it together.
Right.
Until we reach home.
Right.
Nakakarakito kanya, same thing. Nakakito ngunuba, same thing. Yeah, ni may tuwi matoko, may tuwi dogs.
Right.
That's a mystery to us.
And this
we
is
are
not
trying
the
to
first
piece
time.
the puzzle together,
Right.
to put the puzzle together. Where, eriko tumekino koya, na matengo. Sa kerisongo nito toko, then we come to the conclusion
Right.
that this small boy from Lolombu
Right.
ate the wrong food.
Right.
At the wrong time.
At the wrong time, at the wrong place.
At the wrong place.
Right. He is hiding something from us. Maybe after we eat,
Yeah.
he's going to eat somewhere else.
He's got the wrong body, but the right to be mad. Iwan na yang ngadala, yan ang matin dondonu.
Tugulaw ba sa mga tabalakan, Rosulibwa, natabi o katamu. Mr. White, I think Mr. White also has the cure for him. Please go and visit your tamale.
Yeah, because they know each other. Because one time
Right.
too, tabale too,
Oh.
the same sickness.
Oh, maybe tamale left his sickness behind for his tamale. Salim bang lang ako kanya lolopor. Gori ka ni karakter ng mga pogi. Ano siya? Lay.
Musik ni kila mga tuni ko, ni chiko talaga nawadi kaya.
Yes, good morning to Adi
Yeah.
Dams this morning if you're tuning from Lolobo. We miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Iya, ginasar.
Yes.
Otherwise you kubui that part.
Right, kubui.
Kita batu kata-kata 1 inch from the hot stone. 1 inch nga mertolak menangon mertolak may ikla. Mertolak may babay ko may muri.
Terus ada day ya. Lay. Yan, random na ka John Kumar and Praveen tuning in this morning from Bararavelli Road. Rusete toy?
Yeah.
No.
Kada kakiru mga samtara sinubyo kaningo ni kakek kito taka ba nakito li katalau
Right.
kalubata.
Iyo.
Mga sigli bata. Nakakede kiro sa kibang garage kiro sa sango gisongo na siya dapat na bunon tu matindua. Na coach pori kini karua Nyoko ya Canada lah.
Karena mga Italia.
Kero bambau tani programa naman tani kuasa na bautia na doka ni Messi.
Wakadua.
Lagi mana doka drabi toka di bulmain. Ano nda show era matang di kuah. Muni madao sa toka matanda. Muni madao ni Sarangito. Rongada semanian Facebook page di BTFM mon namaruta kina na bika so ronyo nganga kina ena buni sete baruta kina buni BCC.
Donu binaka.
Oni binaka ni Timothy Raimbale. Oisake. Security International School back road nanti gym mulu back road da boleh besar bi tokan lumayan to bulu benak menawang kembena serana leo kini ke na mata bu balik kiro sana mai dabe ke me to benang ka darga bi rongo din tamu talakina luti tu saki esa ta ro kunis pul tenu okay go kur mundu
Ela